Hello friends, my name is Himanshu and today I am going to discuss chain rule and differentiation. In last video I discussed some basic problem. So let's start today's class. Suppose function is f of u and we have to find df by dx. Then we first find del f by del u and then we multiply with del u by del x. Means we first find derivative of outside function, then we find derivative of inside function. Suppose our problem is f of u equal to sine u square and we have to find del f by del u. Means del by del u of sine u square. If this problem is like f of u equal to sine u, then del f by del u equal to simply cos u. But here sine u square term is given. So this is not the standard problem like a sine u equal to cos u. Derivative of sine u equal to cos u. Here u square is given. So we first find del by del u square sine u square into del u square by del u. Means here we first find derivative of sine function and then we find derivative of u square function, because del u square cancel each other and this expression becomes d sine u square by du, this term. So we first find derivative of external function, then we find derivative of internal function. Means we know that del sine u by del u equal to cos u. So you can treat u square as a t or x. Let u square equal to t, then this expression becomes del sine t by del t, and we know that del sine t by del t is what? Cos t. Means cos t or t is what? U square into del u square by del u. If this expression is not visible to you, then I write once again. So here this expression is equal to, we know that sin t by differentiation of sin t, d sin t by dt equal to what? Cos t. Means cos t is what? U square. So cos u square into del u square by del u, and we know that dx by x to the power n equal to nx to the power n minus 1, power rule. So here n is what? 2. So cos u square into 2u to the power 2 minus 1. So 2u cos u square. This is equal to del f by del u. This is our answer. If you not understand this thing, I repeat once again. Here function is given sine u square. Suppose this problem is f of u equal to sine u. Then we simply find derivative of sine u is what? Cos u directly. But here u square is given. So we cannot directly say that the derivative of this function is cos u square. We use chain rule. First find derivative of outer function, means sine u square. So derivative of sine u square is what? Cos u square. And then we multiply with derivative of inner function. Means derivative of u square is what? 2u. Power rule, according to power rule. So derivative of f of u sine u square is what? Cos u square into 2u. This is our answer. I repeat once again this relation, chain rule, del f of u by del x. Then we first find derivative of outer function, then we find derivative of inner function, means del u by del x. Let's consider another example, like function is given y equal to 2x plus 4 square, and we have to find dy by dx. Suppose 2x plus 4 is t, then derivative of t square is what? 2t according to power rule. So we first del y by del x, we can write del by del x of 2x plus 4 square. Now we can write del by del 2x plus 4 into 2x plus 4 square into 2 d 2x plus 4 by del x. Now here d2x plus 4 and d2x plus 4 cancel each other, so this expression becomes this expression, d2x plus 4 square by dx. So we first find derivative of what? Outer function. So derivative of outer function, suppose 2x plus 4 is what? T, means this derivative is what? dt to the power 2 by dt, and we know that del t by t to the power n is what? N to the n t to the power n minus 1, means t square, derivative of t square is what? 2t. So 2t, here t is what? 2x plus 4, means 2 into 2x plus 4. Hence we can write derivative of this term is equal to 2 into 2x plus 4. Now d by dx of 2x plus d by dx of 4. We know that in last video I discussed that derivative of constant is 0. So derivative of this term is equal to 0, and we also know that d by dx of a into f of x is equal to a into d by dx of fx. Take constant outside the derivative, means we can take 2 outside of this derivative, means 2 into 2x plus 4 into 2 dx by dx plus 0, and we know that dx by dx is what? 1. This thing I already discussed in last video, means 4 2x plus 4 is our answer. So derivative of 2x plus 4 square is what? 4 into 2x plus 4. I repeat once again this concept. First find derivative of outside function, means derivative of outside function is what? 2x plus 4 square. So we first find derivative of 2x plus 4 square. So derivative of 2x plus 4 square is what? 2 into 2x plus 4, 2 into 2x plus 4, and then we take derivative of inner function, means 2x plus 4, and we know that derivative of 2x plus 4 is 2, because dx by dx is 1. So in chain rule we always first find derivative of outer function and then we find derivative of inner function. This is the basic concept that we use in chain rule. Let's consider another example. Suppose function is x plus square, x plus 4 to the square, then derivative of x plus 4 is what? We first find derivative of outer function, means derivative of outer function, x plus 4, derivative of x plus 4, and then square. We first find derivative of outer function, means x plus 4 square, and then we find derivative of inner function means x plus 4. So x plus 4. So this derivative of this term is what? 2 into x plus 4. Why? Because we know that d by dt of t to the power n is what? N t to the power n minus 1. So suppose t is equal to what? X plus 4. So x plus 4 to the power 2 by x plus 4 means dt square by dt. So n is what? 2t, 2 minus 1 means 2t, and t is what? X plus 4. So derivative of this term is equal to what? X plus 2 into x plus 4, and then we find derivative of this term x plus 4 and this, and dx by dx is what? 1, and this term is 0. So x plus 4, 2 into x plus 4, and then 2 into x plus 4, 2 into x plus 4. This is our answer. So that's all from today's class. In next video we will continue chain rule, and we will discuss some more example about chain rule. So please like this video and subscribe my channel.